Yo woko roni gbe lo moruji. Owen ati Prince Okpame ugere siluwa o. Ate wena be we kedra be na re jive gugwa gwan. Awe no hu agage eti an ge bono. O pe ni ata mi no ma. No se ni an o. Owen ati lare ne ku ekebe na wo ye gui. Oh, yeah, we no. So you get mind. Go to tell Prince Okpame Sharon brother, make he post your comedy video for Sharon page. If a bong allow it, if a bong allow it, bong ati. E Sharon, I remember you told me ati. I remember Sharon, you told they never bury Sharon. According to the way is the explain, I don't watch this video. Is the instead of being a control. Prince Okpame, now Prince Okpame know what he want to do with the page. 9 months, now we call here say, now on my aunt, now I call Sharon brother for phone, say hello, my brother, you feel help me share my comedy video for your sister war. Now I be a full for Prince Okpame. Begin the share video, he share that 1, 2 times, now he don't share on my aunt video for Sharon Okpame page, my people. Easy say, the boy, they cry. May everybody leave Prince alone. He said Prince Okpame was crying 4 days ago. The boy almost made because of people who can't visit him. You say you go talk that one for part 2. Your boy Z. You don't they pick, then they put for inside, and they pick, then they put for inside.
They share something for Sharon War. For that reason, you are angry, and you were even commanding the person to go and delete it because you actually did not mention him. Yeah. You go say una. I don't know why I don't know whether I fear and they make me know they feel they mention people's name. Oh wow, and everybody come they feel say not them. Because definitely, as they tag me for there, you even supposed to they say not be me you they tag. Not be me you they talk to. But from there it shows that you were actually talking to me. And how many times I go tell myself I don't get access to Sharon on Facebook? How many times I go tell you say I don't give Sharon brother the Facebook? Even if you see something for Sharon, you supposed to call the brother, daddy, and daddy you they call her. Daddy, when they do this thing, at least go explain to you. We are watching with we. We are watching Sharon with we. Because my government understand. Me not going to share me the Sharon. It was also somebody that brought it to my notice yesterday. She called me and she was like, I know that man. You was sharing me Sharon away. I went to go and sit and I said, I get him. Yeah, go join one. Of which I called him and I spoke with him. I said that why you they share something for Sharon Warner? It be never reach time to share all those kind of things. Because say no, say one say make you share. And I say no. Now you the mistake on one. One not say make you share. That message na general message to everybody. Say even send me the message. Say I had to screenshot my own. I can't show and say no be this message you see. He say na in see. And I say Magele in the Facebook here. And I say why is just only doing it so that people can support him with his content. And I say that will go. Hey share by my video. You can say okay.
Well, my people. When I hear what this woman talk, this Aproko woman they talk about me. First of all, madam, the way you talk to me, the way you take pass insult on me, I'm not go first cause you because why I be person way be say the train. And again, if I want to follow you up, not because I don't follow you. Nah, you even too small for me. I will follow you, but because of Sharon, I'm not gonna follow you. I'm not be Sharon matter. I go to follow you do all these things because I know say that content that you they want to do. Madam, if your ear they pain you, cleaner, make you listen to what is your moral you post or what is she talk for that video. Wait, madam, that's what you be. You just tear my body, you the pull life for inside my body. You say I carry phone, call Okpame, tell her say make it post for Sharon page. Madam, you know, man. Wait, I didn't hear about you, but I not to believe until you do this thing to me now. Madam, you say I call Okpame for phone. See, guys, I beg, I don't want to make this video long because I'm not in the mood to talk. I dey share work. Normally, everybody wait there for this page. I mean, there for cyberspace. No say if you do work, they share. Even on Facebook, I dey share work, and I book messages. I dey broadcast. I dey broadcast work. You understand me? If I broadcast, I get many. If not that I'm using my video now to record myself now in my camera, my phone camera, for sure now many broadcast list where I get. And if I share message, if I say good morning, hello, how are you doing? Please share my video. People where they receive her, there are so many, now thousands of people they receive her. And again, Sharon Okpame brother, he see the message, now he share her. I don't know whether Sharon Okpame brother get page or whether na Sharon page you want to go post her. No man, he share video. But he go share up for Sharon Okpame page. Me myself, me never even enter Sharon Okpame page since Sharon Okpame buy. The only time where I enter, now the time where be say me after when somebody call me say me whether I hear what they happen, I can't say a lie. Now I take go our page. I can't really say you know there. I can't say no sir. Obaseki now he post last way do birthday. I know get password to that page. Not to talk about saying I want post put. Now your brother now he share. Now he share. He just help me share. I mean, I even know say na Sharon Okpame page they go. And I don't even know say Sharon Okpame page number. And I wouldn't know if he has Facebook of his own. Well, normally everybody they get accounts. Do you understand? The guy share work. Now when this matter they come up, when what's her name, Festina wrote to me this morning, he say no say me I not get pin word to Sharon Okpame. I can't say I don't understand. What did they happen? He say say no be me they share, no be me post. Say I just share the person share my work to Sharon Okpame page. Now I say now I go there now I really see him. He say now he brother. Now I can say now he brother. Now I share work give. It's possible now he post her. Because and he no post go fund me. I can say why he no post go fund me now? Because me I wouldn't know what is going on. Then before I can see easy, can't talk about what's her name? Festina Peter. Say message to Festina Peter. Say drop long notes. And my name was mentioned in the video. Then the next thing I go the page and I see the note. And waiting she follow me talk. Now you go post for that place. That is waiting Festina follow me talk. Say my person they post for this thing. You understand me? That the next thing I have somebody send me this video of this woman. Say me call Okpame. Okpame is alive. Do you understand? Make una ask her whether I call her. Make una ask her whether I me post for Sharon page. Make una ask her whether I me tell her say post this thing for Sharon page. Everybody they share video normal. Why I be say madam, you want to check my word, madam? See you be woman, sha. I don't get your time. Now you relax. Madam, you be woman. I be the respect I offer you because I know say you will get children. That's like me, I'm a father. You will get children. You to say you never marry, or maybe you not get children also. But I don't know whether you get to bet. If I talk to you, you don't believe her. You don't go believe her. Now my OG dey fight for this matter. Madam, Aproko. Now my OG dey fight for this matter. You say I call her. I tell her, say, share. You they lie, put for my body. You just lie. This thing is funny. Like, seriously. I never want to talk to you. But, why you, be careful. Be careful, madam. Be careful. As soon as one man spoil my name, so my God no go agree. You understand me? Not try am. Not try am. Not try am. If they talk to people anyhow, Biko no reach my side. No reach my side. It is I not get sense. It is I not get sense, Abi. Shit. I will just call Sharon brother. I'll say share. I'll say share. Sharon, now they manage anything where they post for social media before. You understand me? As far as she know day. Now, don't even see my post as in my post for Sharon page before. You only they manage my handle. I can't tell the brother, say make it share. Madam, I don't to take for this video. Now my God will judge you and my God will ask you. Why you respect where I don't fair give you now. As a woman, you get where you will match like reach. You know, will like what I will tell you. You will not be only you once I do swear for person. You understand me? I swear for you. You know, will believe her. You hear me? Now so you all rich. Madam, no use me trend. no use me trend. Aproko, no use me trend. Now waiting, I can't tell you this. You hear me so? That the more you check, you want to check out from my body. It's not your fault. Be careful.
Yo woko Ronnie Yo Moruji. Owen ati Prince Okpame. Who gave us Luwa o. I tell when I we can drive in a regime, Gugwa Gua. I went on Wagage, letting I get bono, oh, but here I come in no say o. Oh, my auntie, Lare, ne quet Kevin, I will ye gui. Oh, ye gui, no. So you get minds. Go they tell Prince Okpame Sharon brother, make him post your comedy video for Sharon page. If a bog allow it, if a bog allow it, bon, hey, Sharon, I'm your tongue, I'm Sharon, your tongue, never bury Sharon. According to the way is the explained, I don't watch this video. Is instead of being the control, Prince Okpame, that Prince Okpame know what you want to do with the page. 9 months, now we call here say, now on my heart, now I call Sharon brother for phone, say hello, my brother, you feel help me share my comedy video for your sister war. Now you full for Prince Okpame. Begin the share video. He share that 1, 2 times. Now you don't share. Now you don't share on my heart video for Sharon Okpame page, my people. Easy say the boy they cry. May everybody leave Prince alone. He said Prince Okpame was crying 4 days ago. The boy almost made me because of people who can't visit him. You say you go talk that one for part 2. Your boy Z. You don't they pick, then they put for his hand. You they pick, then they put for his hand. Your boy a bad family anyway. Easy Amaruyi. Leave that family alone. I have asked you before. Are you and Prince in love with each other? If you and Prince Okpame are dating, let the whole world know that you guys are dating. Because Okpene ke wale easy. Okpene ke wale my sister. Ma send we am work me alabsia. I put my foot chest. This is my boyfriend, my husband to be. For Hey, Prince Okpame. Why? When you say they never bury your sister, you go to share comedy video. They put for your page. They put for your sister page. You know be your page. You zwo. One year page ni. One year full. That page does not belong to you. Come here, Prince Okpame. Why are you doing that? It's easy that is backing you to do it. I know it's easy that is backing you to do it. Easy on your boy where you can worry rubbish now. And you know why una mania? Easy, una not repost anything with consign donation. Una not post. Una say una not get. I can't. Now they tell una say me kuna bring comment. Now una not say I can't bring comments. Una say me they not donate for the GoFundMe. Una say me they not donate for Mama Sharon. Where it be una problem? Easy and Prince Okpame. And the when around my auntie. Ato loko ige unwe ati. Uruwe mwai. Share your video by yourself. You want to go social media, you want your video go viral unwe ati. You came to my page the other time, insulting me on my comment section. I was thinking you were better. Hey, hungry lion. Ugwaliga social media, gege. Waro nya je dollar pay no in Nigeria only. Now this is in the control. Now the control unwe ati page. Now the control the song page. Now the control my art. Now the control almost all the Edo actress where they beneath. Now is now they control their page. Now she be the admin. She they collect 40%. The people when they get the page they will collect 60%. Easy. Take it easy. You get why? Who make it live you well at the easy? Who make it live you well at the Here one more good no there. As they la no do mogu or mogu na. As they no la no do bomo. The big get dago if ye do. Iyage we viri. Ni teka yage we zi. Ni teka yage we. My Benin people make una help me share this video. Make una help me share am. They pay me for body. Sharon. Now tomorrow, na be the service of song. Sharon, my people. Please be there, everyone. And give her the last respect. Shalom, like share this video. God bless you. Bye.